there, I'm Mike Carlson. I'm with Master Marine Boat Center in Mount Vernon, Washington. I'm standing next to the Starcraft SVX 190. This is a great 19-foot deck boat, set up great for leisurely days out on the water. Let's get into it. So I'm standing inside the Starcraft SVX 190. A couple things that I really like about this boat. As you can see up in the bow, we've got a great swim platform with a boarding ladder. We've also got this very spacious bow area that includes filler cushions that really extend the lounging and sunbathing activity. The cushions are very easy to install. You just slap them right in. And as you can see, it really extends that area. They're easy to store in the in-floor storage, which makes it just super versatile. So I'm at the main helm here in this Starcraft SVX 190. As you can see, this boat is extremely spacious. It's got a 102-inch beam, sits up to 12 people. This boat comes in a full windshield, which you'll see on this particular one. You can also get it in a side console model. You've got a great captain's chair, a passenger chair as well, and as you can see through the back, lots of lounging area for other passengers. So we're at the back of the boat now, and you can see this great swim platform. We've got a phenomenal tow bar for all the water sports activities. We've currently got this boat powered with a Yamaha 200. It'll take a max horsepower of a 250. It's just a great package for just that phenomenal day out on the water, just leisure activities as well as all the water sports activities. So if you're interested in Starcraft deck boats, come check them out. We're Master Marine. You can find us at mastermarine.com. We'd love to help you out and show you all of our boats and see if we've got a good fit for you.